Understanding Consumer Drones, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, consumer drones. Drones have become increasingly popular, and it's important to understand what we mean when we talk about them, especially in the context of consumers. So, let's dive in and discover the world of consumer drones together. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft without a human pilot on board. They are controlled either autonomously by onboard computers or by remote control. Drones can range from large military drones to small hobbyist models. Today, we will focus on the smaller type, often referred to as consumer drones. The word consumer refers to a person who purchases goods and services for personal use. In this context, consumer drones are drones bought and used by everyday people, not for military or commercial purposes, but for personal enjoyment or tasks. Consumer drones are known for their accessibility and ease of use. They often come with features like cameras for taking photos or videos, GPS to help with navigation and tracking, automated flight modes, making them easier to fly for beginners. These drones are typically smaller and less expensive than commercial or military drones, making them a popular choice for personal use. Consumer drones are used for various purposes, such as photography and videography, capturing stunning aerial shots, recreation, simply for the joy of flying, inspections, checking hard-to-reach places like rooftops, agriculture, monitoring crops and land. It's important to note that flying drones comes with responsibilities. Many countries have regulations regarding where and how you can fly consumer drones. Always ensure you are aware of and follow these rules to fly safely and responsibly. I hope this video has helped you understand what consumer drones are and how they are used. Whether it's for capturing beautiful scenery or just for fun, consumer drones offer a unique perspective on the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning video.